Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Technique Thursday. Today, I'm going to be working in my Lent journal for this year, 2018. What I've done is I'm working with this book called The 40 Days with the Holy Spirit. It's not a Lent devotion, but it's a 40-day read, and Lent is 40 days, so I thought it was just perfect. So in our Praise and Pray group, some of us are doing this book, some of us are doing other studies, and so we didn't do an actual journal for Lent. What we did was a Lent Easter bundle of elements. So I have them all in my little tray. I love this tray because it was full of chocolates and I ate them, and I go, what could I do with this tray? So I'm using it for my elements. So I have all the flowers, bunch of flowers and cards and all the goodies cut out in here. And then I have some Bow Bunny goodies that I was using way back when from their collection. So this is the other piece of the chocolate thing. So that's what I'm doing. So I decided to do mine in like a traveler's notebook. So remember these, some of us had bought a bunch of these at Michael's, and they came with a bunch of inserts. So what I did was just took one of the blank inserts like this, and I put a piece of scrapbook paper over top, and I made a Lent journal. So I will just flip through and show you a few of the pages here before we get started on today's project. So 2018, 40 Days with the Holy Spirit is my book that I'm doing. And I just used one of the light bulbs from Bow Bunny for the inside cover. And then I started, and I'm just doing this in a kind of a random fashion. I'm using things on my desk and old stickers and stamps and all kinds of fun things. And with these came all the numbers. I did 40 numbers, so I have them on my desk like this. I have a whole stack so I know what day I'm working on. So that's kind of fun. So there's day 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I'm really just loving this system. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, and 11, and I'm going to be working in 12. So what I did when I got the journal ready is I sprayed the whole journal at once. According to these little round tags is what I decided the color of the page would be. So I just took all my spray and my dryer and just got to work. So let me share my system with you. First thing I'm going to do is stamp. So I have the Delusions, what's it called here? Further Around the Edge. And I have a stamp. And I was on a journey for new black ink. So I got some of the, here's this one, sorry. I got the Ranger Archival, which I really am enjoying. And I did an order with Simon Says Stamps for some new stamps. And I got this one. It's so pretty. Look at this. It's from Illustrated Faith. It's all the books in the Bible. So fun. So I ordered some of the Simon Says ink, which a lot of people seem to love. And you know what? I'm loving it too. So I'm just going to stamp a border on this one. And get out my big thing. Dab some ink on this. I love these pages because they come together so quickly. So in the comments section, let me know what you guys are doing for Lent. What is your plan? Are you doing a journal? Are you doing devotions? What are you up to for Lent? Last year we actually did a Lent journal, but I didn't realize that a lot of people not celebrate, but don't observe Lent. So that was kind of interesting for me. I thought everybody did. So this year, I didn't do a specific journal and people were asking for it. So that's kind of cool. I enjoyed that. So we'll push that off to the edge. So just a simple border. And then what I'm doing, because of my essential tremor, is I am using clear sticker paper and I'm just doing my journaling on sticker paper. What I did is take the 8.5 by 11, I cut it in half. So like a little 5x8 sheet, so I can do a couple days at a time, and then I just put this journaling into my journal. So it looks like handwriting, but it's actually a sticker, and I kind of like it. So there we go. And you know, with our new changes coming up in April for the journal, I think I might do a few dory size, and I'm trying to figure out some different ideas of how to use the journal, like maybe in a planner, or maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure. So I just got out some flowers and a heart, put that there. I love the little cards, all these little scallop cards, and what a great idea someone had in the group, you know who you are, to do them blank. So I have a bunch of blank ones. I just cut these out last night, and I'm gonna put some words. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. So we'll put that there, and maybe this here. I love these because they're little pages, and they're quick and they're easy to do. And this maybe I'll put right here. I should have stamped it maybe a little bit closer to the edge, but again, I did this on sticker paper, and I gave it as a freebie in the group if you wanted to have what the 40 days with the Holy Spirit was. So I'm just gonna put that on here. I love the clear sticker paper because it just blends right into the page. So just my glue stick, and so fun. I sprayed all of it with Dilutions. This is the, I think, the bubblegum pink. Look at that bottle, so well used, just a little bit left. So I find these pages just come together really quickly, and I just need a little glue stick and I'm good to go. I just keep all my little elements in one little pouch and on the side of my desk, and then I can work on this each day. I love having something to read each day. I'm also doing a chronological read through the Bible with a plan, and I'm doing some journaling with that every day as well, and I'm really loving it. Just reading through the Bible a couple verses at a time, like a couple chapters, that I'm really retaining the knowledge well and really reflecting and studying on it. So I used to read like lots and lots and lots, like I'd read a book, and slowing down is really helping me. I just find I get way more out of it, and I'm not too overwhelmed. This is called, Lynn printed the wrong elements on her sheet, so I just print on the other side. I always keep it if I'm doing it on brochure paper. So there we go. And then I just, and this is pretty much a page. So look how quickly it comes together. It's like 5 minutes and you're done. For some of them, I actually, these two, I got everything ready, and then I measured where to put my journaling. So all I had to do is add in my journaling each day. So I like to kind of work ahead a little bit like that as well. So then the only other thing I do is I take my pen and I make some squiggles on the flowers, and then I'm done. So quick and easy. It's a fun little project, and I just wanted to share it with you. So thank you so much for joining me. All the supplies and links will be listed at the bottom of the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like. We do a Technique video every Thursday. We are almost at our 100th video. So exciting. So thank you everyone for joining me. Have an awesome day. God bless you all, and I will see you in Praise and Pray. Bye-bye.